One of the top things Americans wanted in 2019 was to have more time. I guess God answered that prayer because in 2020, most of Americans have had 1 to 2 months of extra time. What did they do with it? Did you learn things while you were in lockdown? Did you read books? I've got a friend who even wrote a book during lockdown. Did you get your closet organized, clear out the garage? Did you go biking and hiking with friends and family? Did you play board games with the kids? Did you spend time in God's Word? Did you feel a deeper sense of peace during the lockdown or greater panic and stress? You see, everybody's going to come out of this time, but not everybody's going to come out stronger. And it goes back to the choices that you make, because for some people, they didn't need more time. They needed better priorities. They needed some discipline. You don't have to wait. You can start with that right now. Make the choices that will make you stronger